channel. So I'm again here with the Canva text effect video tutorial, where I'm gonna discuss a whole lot of text effects that you can use in your social media post or anywhere else. Okay, so the first one is the framed text. The framed text is something which we use the combination of both the text plus the images. So I'm gonna create this one. So I'm just gonna add one new page, and then you have to go to the elements, then you have to go to the frames, and then just scroll down and select the text that you want. For example, right now we are just taking hello, so HELLO. Okay, so now once we do that, we have to now set its size. So what you are gonna do is just select all, and then just you can increase or decrease the sizes. Okay, you just have to select all, and then you can just decrease or increase it. Once you do that, it's fine. You can just go ahead and just remove out the letters. Also make sure that in the file your show guide should be like on, so that it shows that if you are doing it correctly or not. Once you do that, once again you have to just go ahead and slide it, then it will get selected all at once. Once you do that, go to the position and select horizontal. Okay, this will make sure that the spaces are chosen correctly. Now go ahead in the photos and select the photo that you want in this frames. Okay, so let's suppose that I want this one in H. You just have to slide it. Go ahead and just slide it. Okay, something like that. Okay, so this is how we do the framed text. Now the coming to the second one, it is the highlight effect. Okay, now let's do that. Just add new page. Now here what you have to go to is to select the text, add a heading. Heading is highlight effect, sorry, highlight text effect. Let's say this is the one. Just increase the size as much as you want. After that, go to the elements, not frames. Just go to the shapes and select the square one. Once you do that, select it. You can change the color from here as well. Let's suppose we want to do this color. So this is how you do the highlight text effect thing. Okay, you can also change the color as your preference, so it's completely fine. Now coming to the third one is 3D effect. Let me show you how I did that. Just add new page. Now add the text. I'm just gonna copy the text from here. No, okay, let's undo that from the beginning. Okay, just select the text, that is the 3D effect. Okay, once you do that, you can increase the size. Then after doing that, go to the effects and select the shadow one. Okay, once you do the shadow one, you can definitely change its direction, that if you want to the right or left or whatever it is, just keep it like this. Offset you can also change, like it doesn't look good, so let it be like this. Transparency, obviously we don't want to keep it like this, so yeah, it looks good. Also you can change the color of this one, like I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select this one. It looks cool now. Also you can go to the effects again, and in this color you can select like white, then it will give the whitish effect over here. You can select others color like gray as well, so it gives a shadow, it changes the color of the shadow. Okay, so let's suppose that I'm gonna take white and it looks good. So this is how the 3D effects work. Now the fourth one is the slender effect. Now in this you don't have to do anything actually, you just have to go here in this one arrow one, and you just have to do like this, rotate it. So it is basically the slender effect that people do. So yeah, this is how it's done. Now the next one is the glitch effect. Okay, so let's again take the page, go ahead into the text, type the text, that is the glitch effect. Once you do that, select it, go to the effects, select the glitch. It is also known as the TikTok effect. So yes, you can do that as well. Just increase the size as much as you want. You can change the direction as well. I'm not gonna do that. You can change the offset as well, so it looks like this, but just remember that the background should not be black, otherwise it will look like this, and I don't like it too much. So make sure that you choose the background carefully over here. So it is a kind of TikTok effect, and which is called as glitch effect as well. So I hope you like the video. Just let me know that which part is most likable to you, and I will see you in the next video.